Hindi na rin ako sigurado sa ginagawa nila, pero nung kay Big Brother naman, naayos din yung shipment. Hanggang sa dumating naman yung problema na ito, yung kinakaharap ko ngayong kaso, na nangyaring raid sa Valenzuela. Ayun, dun na po natapos yung...
Are you referring to the 6.4, no, the 604 kilogram of shabu?
Yes, Your Honor.
And that is the reason why are you convicted already? Convicted?
Yes, Your Honor.
I see. May we know ilang taon po ba naging sentensya nyo?
Sinintensyahan po ako ng life.
Oh Lord. Life sentence. And that is equivalent to 20 years and 1 day to 40 years. Tama, Honorable Flores? How old